Ever pondered about setting up a print-on-demand business on Shopify? The allure of creating your own designs, selling them, and watching the profits roll in is quite enticing, isn't it? But where do you start? First, you need to establish a Shopify store. This e-commerce platform is user-friendly, making it an ideal choice for beginners. Don't worry if you're not tech-savvy. Shopify guides you through the process. Think of a unique and catchy store name, sign up, and you're good to go. Next, you need to choose a print-on-demand service. There are several options available, including Printify, Printful, and Guten. Compare the features, pricing, and product range of these services. Consider factors like shipping costs and production times. Once you've made your selection, integrate it with your Shopify store. Now, it's time to create some designs. You don't need to be a professional graphic designer for this. Simple, yet appealing designs often sell well. You can use online design tools like Canva or hire a freelancer from platforms like Fiverr. Remember, your designs should resonate with your target audience. Once your designs are ready, it's time to add products to your store. Your print-on-demand service will provide you with a range of products to choose from. These could be t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or phone cases, among others. Add your designs to these products, write compelling product descriptions, and set your prices. After your store is stocked, focus on marketing. Social media platforms, email marketing, and search engine optimization are effective ways to attract potential customers. With consistent effort, you'll start seeing an increase in traffic to your store. Finally, when orders start rolling in, your print-on-demand service takes care of production and shipping. You don't need to worry about inventory or delivery. Your main job? Continue creating captivating designs and marketing your store. In summary, setting up a print-on-demand business on Shopify involves 6 key steps. Establish a Shopify store, choose a print-on-demand service, create designs, add products to your store, market your products, and manage orders. With patience, creativity, and consistent effort, you can build a profitable print-on-demand business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey. So buckle up and start your Shopify print-on-demand journey today.